Welcome! In this video, discover how to explore your surroundings with the ENVISION binoculars. Turn on your ENVISION by pressing and holding the on-off button for a few seconds. On your mobile device, turn on Bluetooth and launch the Unistellar app. Then tap the plus button to connect and transfer information about your surroundings to the binoculars. ENVISION gives you information about your surroundings, the names of mountains, the location of a viewpoint, a waterfall, or even a mountain hut. Press the next button on the binoculars to scroll through the overlaid points of interest. Lock a position so you can easily find it again, and share it with your friends and family. A short press on the Shared Target button hides the guidance. Pressing it again brings it back. To calibrate the augmented reality display, find a landmark. Hold down the calibration button to freeze the display, and release it once centered on the landmark. This step is part of the normal operation of the augmented reality. Perform it at the start of your session and as many times as needed during your observation. The Modes button lets you switch between day, night, or compass mode. At night, ENVISION guides you by displaying constellation lines as well as the positions of stars and distant objects. To calibrate the augmented reality display, find a landmark. Hold down the calibration button to freeze the display, and release it once centered on the landmark. To fully enjoy the view, briefly press the on-off button to turn off just the screen. Want to observe a specific object? In the app, use the planetarium, the catalog, or the search feature to find the object you're looking for. Then tap Observe. ENVISION will guide you to it. You're now ready to explore the Earth and sky with ENVISION.